difficult, to watch a lot of those games and see these fans, of course, deal with some of those losses. Of course, it's going to be pretty good, though, with the Super Bowl coming up. I'm really hoping for a Bills-Commander Super Bowl. We'll see what happens, though. Here's actually a quick look at our temperatures from earlier this morning. We did stay downright cold. A lot of spots waking up to either side of 0 degrees. Shelby County, -2 this morning. Frankfort, 0. And here in Louisville, we did dip down to about 6 degrees. 1 degree above 0 in both French Lick and in Bedford. And here's actually a quick look outside. It is going to be an ice box for the remainder of the afternoon today. And frankly, all of this week will generally be staying as cold as this morning. Some relief will be coming our direction, though, likely as early as about Wednesday afternoon. Hitting 30 in a couple of areas, but I still have Louisville in the upper 20s Wednesday afternoon. We're at 13 degrees. We're at 9 at Bowman Field right now. A few clouds, but otherwise, we're just staying downright cold outside with some sunshine. At least the sun's out. That makes it a little more bearable, but still, bundle up getting out the door. We're at 4 in Shepherdsville, 10 in Cordon. We cannot stress it enough to make sure you're staying bundled up outside. It's extremely important to wear as many layers as possible in this kind of cold. So there's actually about a 12-degree temperature difference between our wind chill and our actual air temperature. Low teens going on across our current temperature map. 7 in Cordon, 10 in Scottsburg. So again, that breeze out of the west making it feel a bit colder than what it actually is. You don't have to travel too far to the north to be dealing with some temperatures well into the single digits. Some areas where there's no snow cover on the ground, that's where we're giving way to a lot of teens. But if there's a lot of snow still on the ground from Dayton, Ohio to Cincinnati, they're still in the middle single digits right now. So again, we're expecting to see sunshine prevail until about the 5:50 time frame, then turning more clear, of course, post sunset. The wind overnight, not terrible. There will be a few more clouds, however, tonight, so that will be keeping temperatures not nearly as cold as last night. A good solid 5 degrees warmer tonight in most spots than what we dealt with this morning. So waking up to our Tuesday, most likely single digits, the coldest temperatures to the north. I do think in Louisville we'll be down to about 11 degrees overnight tonight, above 0. We're not going to do much warming tomorrow. We can thank once again another cold front to be pushing temperatures once again not too warm. But Wednesday, one more step back with temperatures before we do notice warmer conditions into the end of this week. We're going to wake up one more time to Wednesday morning with readings right around 0 degrees, if not hovering just above that as we get you into about hump day. So again, we're going to be hanging on to very cold temperatures, and Futurecast does bring in a potential snow flurry for our area tomorrow morning. Notice from the northwest there may be enough cold air pushing through with a brief flurry in the morning on Tuesday. Otherwise, though, we are going to be dry basically through midweek. Things will be changing a bit more, though, as we get into Friday. A slight chance for a spotty snow shower, high of about 37. And then as we get into the weekend, back into the 40s with a little bit of a rain-snow mix as we get into the day on Sunday. Jim, that looks to be our next best shot of seeing some precipitation.